Pfizer is one step closer to getting its COVID-19 vaccine approved for emergency use in children age 5 to 11 in the U.S., where it's now submitted trial data to the American Food and Drug Administration. The drug maker says the vaccine is safe and effective and triggered a robust antibody response in the age group studied in a trial involving nearly 2,300 participants. The children were given 2 smaller doses of the vaccine than the shots given to those 12 and older. Pfizer revealing Tuesday there are plans to submit a formal request for emergency use authorization in the U.S. in the coming weeks. While kids are less susceptible to severe disease, they can spread the coronavirus to others, including vulnerable populations. And now, with school in full swing, the American Academy of Pediatrics warns the number of new child COVID cases is exceptionally high. They say since the pandemic began, children represented 16% of total cumulated cases in the U.S. But last week, children were 26.7% of reported weekly COVID-19 cases, even though children under 18 make up 22% of the U.S. population.
We can talk about the safety and the efficacy of the vaccine, which I think is going to be just fine, but I think that this will have a significant impact on the epidemic and really help create safer schools, safer communities when it's unrolled.
Canadian reaction from Dr. Isaac Bogosh on Breakfast Television Tuesday. Now already, Toronto Public Health announced Monday it's getting ready to vaccinate children between 5 and 11, pending approval for the age group by Health Canada.
We know that the company is providing all the data to the regulatory agencies like Health Canada, who will either give it the thumbs up or the thumbs down. I think it's likely that this will be approved in Canada probably in the latter part of 2021 and maybe at the latest, the early part of 2022.
Now, Pfizer confirms they are planning to seek emergency use authorization for 5 to 11-year-olds in a host of countries, including Canada. Justin Trudeau was asked about the approval process Tuesday. Here's some of what he had to say.
I'm one of those parents of a 7-year-old who wants his kids to get vaccinated as quickly as possible, and that's certainly what we're looking for. But science and rigorous analysis will, as it always has, guide our decisions on that.
Health Canada telling CityNews they haven't received a submission from Pfizer just yet when it comes to kids under 12, but they are expecting new data in the coming months. Melissa Duggan, CityNews.